Hello, members. I bring you exciting news that will save you lots of time and money. Introducing Photopea, a powerful and free image editor that rivals the features of Photoshop. So, let's jump into its magical world and see how we can easily and freely create our designs in it. Open your web browser and type photopea.com. Click on New Project. Enter the following dimensions of 9.25 by 8.25 inches in width and height respectively. The DPI should be 300 in value. Click on Create. Photopea opens a blank document with white background for us to work on and make our design. Go to File, Open, and let's add a PNG file and some text on it to bring our design to life. I randomly selected this butterfly PNG for the purpose of this tutorial only, and it opens in its own new window. Using the Move tool, drag it to our design document and scale it down to a corner like I am doing. Then again go to File, Open, and open this gas pump PNG file. I had already downloaded it beforehand and import it inside our design document. Just like we imported the butterfly PNG previously with the Move tool. Scale it down till you are satisfied with its position. Now using the text tool, type the text of your choice in the fonts of your choice. Take your time to perfect the color and line spacing of the fonts. And before you know it, our awesome design is ready. It's free of cost and you will get the power of Photoshop for free. Save this design as a JPG file after it's ready. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment on this video and our channel if you found it useful. Thank you.